Hello everyone and welcome to this Monzo Flex Credit Card review. Are you looking for a flexible way to manage your spending? Well, today in this video we're diving into Monzo Flex, a buy now pay later credit feature integrated directly into Monzo account. We'll explore its features, pricing, pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right option for you. Starting with the features, you have flexible payments. There are split eligible purchases into 3, 6, or 12 monthly installments. Then you have 0% interest on 3-month plans, where you get to pay no interest if you repay within 3 months. Seamless integration, which works directly with your Monzo app, making it easy to manage. Wide acceptance, you can use Monzo card anywhere that accepts MasterCard, online or in store. Purchase protection. Eligible purchases between £100 to £30,000 are protected under Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act of 1974. Manageable within the Monzo app. You get to track spending, edit payments, and manage your account within the Monzo app. You have the Credit Builder also, where Monzo Flex Credit reports to credit reference agencies, which can help build your credit score if payments are made on time. And now here are the pricing details. You have 0% interest, which is available on purchases paid in full within a month or split over 3 months. Representative APR. You have a 29% variable for plans over 3 months. No foreign transaction fees. When using Monzo card abroad, you can expect no foreign transaction fees. No late payment fees. Monzo will not charge late payment fees, but missed payment will impact your credit score. And now to the pros and cons. Flexibility. You can choose a payment plan that suits your budget. 0% interest option. Avoid interest by paying within 3 months. Seamless integration. You get to manage everything within the app, and this is really a pro we like. Purchase protection. There is an added security for eligible purchases. Builds credit. You can improve your credit score with responsible use. And when it comes to transparency, there is clear information about costs and terms. On the flip side, you have a high APR. Interest charges can be significant for longer repayment plans. Requires a Monzo account. You must have a Monzo account to use the Monzo Flex. Then the impact on credit score. Now, missed payments can negatively impact your credit score. While you might not like it, you might also consider this a con. Not all purchases are eligible. Monzo does not limit what can be flexed. In conclusion, Monzo Flex provides a convenient and flexible way to spread the costs of purchases, particularly with the 0% interest option for payments within 3 months. Its integration into Monzo app simplifies management, and the purchase protection offers added security. However, users need to be aware of the high APR for longer repayment terms and ensure that they can manage their payments responsibly. Did you find this insightful? Let us know what you learned in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.